So, Kanisha, there is, we will tackle about shared and guided reading, the techniques that the teacher usually use in teaching young learners. So shared reading is a stage where the teacher and students read together from the text. So, ginagamit sa teacher usually is katong mga big books, where the teacher is the role model of the students, kanang siya mo yung unang mabasa, and then the students will follow. And then also, in this part, is the teacher is read the text or the story with expression para mas dali nga maano sa students ang buot kay kasabay sa teacher. So there are 3 steps in shared reading. The first one is pre-reading or before reading. So before reading, the teacher introduces the text by showing the cover, title, and illustration. So before ka mag-teach sa mga students, of course, you will introduce the book kung saan ang i-teach sa mga students. So the purpose is to activate background knowledge and prepare students for comprehension. So the purpose and why you need to introduce your topic or the book na imo basahon is to prepare your students. Especially we are para pang young learners, so dili na to pwede nga i-ana din ang students, no? So kailangan na to silang i-prepare para maano ilahang reading comprehension. And also makuha nimo ilahang attention. Nasabtan na? Yes. Tayo next is during reading. So in during reading, the teacher reads the text aloud and clearly, expressively, while the students follow along. So, in this part, mauna siya katong gabasa na mo. So, in this part, dapat, ang imuhang pag-read or sa text is dapat, maka-express gani ka ang tarong para mag-express mo ang tarong, of course, kung imong student is naminaw ni mo, they will copy kung sa imong ipuan. Kaya in shared reading, you are the model of your students. Nasabtan ra? And also, during reading is dili lang ka mo direct o basa. Also, the teacher will ask questions if dahil kung ang students is maka-answer, it means that your student is following and naminaw sila nimo. And also, kung makasabot sila, they will answer, of course, sa mga questions. And then, ang purpose is to model fluent reading and demonstrate comprehension strategies. Nasanda na, guys. Okay, next is post-reading. So, after reading, the teacher and students discuss the story, character, events, and main ideas. So, after magbasa sa mga stories and the teacher and the students will summarize the whole story and then mag-ask a question and teachers if ang student maka-answer sa questions, mauna siya pasabot nga the student is naminaw nimo. And also, if ang student is maka-retell sa story with their own words, it means na naminaw sila nimo and they nakasabot sila. And also, the purpose is to deepen understanding and help students connect ideas. So, pwede po siya nimo i-contextualize ang mga stories. Kaya the more we contextualize our lesson, the more our students understand. Yes. And next is, masabtan ra, shared reading. So, ang shared reading is the teacher will be the model sa mga students. Then, after sa shared reading, of course, masunod ang guided reading. So, ang guided reading is the next step after shared reading. Here, the students read in a small group. So, in guided reading, ang role sa teacher is to guide the students. So, ang mga students diri is practice the teacher to read in their own para independently gani, but of course with the guidance of the teacher. Kaya dili mo po i-guide mo student what will happen. So there are a lot of possibilities na may tao nga ang mga students is dili na mabasa kay wala na guidance si teacher. And also, iwan na silang i-grouping space on their is kanang imo silang i-group ang sa guided reading. And then sa shared reading, imo silang, ang sa shared reading is the teacher and the students will read together. And then sa guided reading is the students kanang mo read with their groups but with the teacher guidance. Nasabtan? So ang first step is the free reading, which is the teacher introduces the book and gives brief overview. So before hindi mo sila kanang pabasaw sila in their groups, of course may introduce ka kung unsa ang ilahang kanang kabahin ang ikuan. Guys, dili maguna sila ang mga students, dili na sila directly na makakuan in their own. So dapat with the guidance of the teacher. So ang purpose is to focus attention and prepare for comprehension. So nasabtan ba? Next is during reading. So the students read quietly or softly to themselves while the teacher listens to individuals and gives feedback. So in this part, so during reading, sa guided reading, it is kanang ipa-group naman to sila ni Uno. So you as a teacher, pwede ka mo roam around to check each group para kung saan na ilahang kuan, kung nakabalo na ba sila alam mo kuan. But dili nga part, dili malikayan nga kanang ay mga students nga dili ka balong pronounce ani nga words, dili ka balong unsay pasabot ani nga words. So diha na ka as a teacher na mugay ka na nga. Mao na tanaw na sa pagbasa, mao ni pasabot ani nga kuan. Dili bod pasabot nga sa guided reading, dili na ka pwede mo kuan as a teacher. But you have a role also nga kanang mo pasabot nila kung unsa na pasabot ana kay dili ba tanang estudyante maka-catch up dayon. Yes. Next is, ang purpose is to practice independent reading with teacher guidance. Wala kong giingon ka ganina. So, nasabtan ra? Yes. So, next is post-reading. So, the group discusses the text, answering comprehension questions. So, pwede na sila nila katong after nilang magbasa is kanang mag-ano na sila of questions ganit. So, kung naa sila dili masabtan, of course, as a teacher, you need to address them, guide them. Mauguna imo pinaka-role sa guided reading as a teacher. You need to guide your students para mas makasabot sila and become more independently. Then, ang purpose is to reinforce comprehension and critical thinking. So, pwede ka dali ka itong mag-ask kanila of questions if nakasabot ka sila. So, again, shared reading is kanang you and your students will read together. And the rip sub na part is nagamit kagkong galit ng mga book ng mga elementary. And so, then, ang guided reading is you will pair or group your students into small groups and then imo silang i-guide. So, ang guided reading is kanang you let your students read by themselves and then with your guidance. Nasabtan ra? Yes.